Grab the rope, hoist yourself up with a coffee in hand, comforted by reliance on substance of solitary parade. Grab the rope, hoist yourself up, and drift like ants in hose water.
These three angels used to be attorneys. It's such a serious thing to me. Oh, how I searched through the memories. It is such an experience for me. Silence creating bold letters, like not and better. These three devils used to be apologies. These three angels used to be monuments. I try to find that feeling from that letter, from my consistencies. It is such a painful thing to see when the shadows didn't bend. Like now and then, these three devils used to be apostrophes. So I destroyed a monument. So what?
I know you don't want change, but nothing is ever what it used to be. Grab the rope, hoist yourself up with a coffee in hand, comforted by reliance on substance of solitude.